Hi. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of managing contracts in LEXZUR. From the main menu, navigate to Contra, LEXZUR's Contract Lifecycle Management product. To create a new contract, click the Create button. You'll have two options. Upload contract. If you already have a contract file and need to track its metadata in the system, select this option. You'll go through steps such as specifying the contract type, uploading the document, and filling in key details. Create from template. If you want to draft a contract using a predefined template, select this option. Ensure your template is configured in the system. Choose the contract type, then select the appropriate template based on the type. Next, fill in the required fields in the customized questionnaire. Once submitted, you'll be directed to the contract page, where you can take further action. The Draft and Collaborate tab opens by default, providing a workspace where you can review the contract file, make edits, add comments, and collaborate effortlessly. The Details tab provides key contract information, including parties, contract value, dates, renewal details, assignees, collaborators, and more. Additionally, you can track progress and update contract workflow statuses as needed. Use the Notes section to track updates and communicate with team members directly within the contract page. All contract-related files are stored in the Attachments tab, where you can easily preview, download, edit, share documents, and upload new ones as needed. Additionally, you can compare two document versions to track and analyze changes efficiently. Contra is AI-powered, enabling you to leverage LEXZUR, your AI assistant, for document summarization, analysis, and compliance checks. You can also use LEXZUR AI to translate any text or notes instantly as needed. LEXZUR's Approval Center lets you create approval workflows, where approvers can review, approve, or negotiate the contract effortlessly. The Signature Center integrates with various digital signature solutions, enabling you to sign contracts using your preferred platform. Additional contract features include milestones, allowing you to track contract stages and deliverables, and reminders, which allow you to automate alerts for important contract events to ensure nothing is missed. You can also use the Email tab to send emails directly from the system, storing all contract-related communication in one place. All your contracts will be listed in the All Contracts grid, accessible from the main menu. This view allows you to quickly review contract details, utilize advanced search options for easy filtering, and open any contract for further action by simply clicking on its ID.